Ever wished you could supercharge your Blogger site with the power of WordPress plugins, all from your phone? Today, we're diving into a clever workaround to bring WordPress plugin functionality to your Blogger platform. Entirely on your mobile device, we'll show you how to tap into advanced features without ever needing a computer. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of customization for your blog, right in the palm of your hand. First, open your mobile browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you prefer, and navigate to Blogger.com. Log into your Blogger account using your familiar credentials. This is your central hub for managing your entire blog. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Tap on the Layout option in the left-hand menu. This is where we'll be adding our new functionalities, mimicking the way you'd add widgets or sections in WordPress. Now look for the Add a Gadget button. This button usually appears within existing sections of your layout. Tap on it, and a list of available gadgets will pop up. This is where the magic happens. We can't directly install WordPress plugins, but we can embed their functionality. Search for or scroll down until you find the HTML JavaScript gadget. This gadget allows you to insert custom code. Now, imagine you found a WordPress plugin that offers a feature you love, maybe a social media feed, an opt-in form, or even a simple image slider. Often, these plugins provide an embed code or share code that you can copy. You'll typically find this code on the plugin's website or within its settings. Paste that entire embed code into the content area of the HTML JavaScript gadget you just selected. After pasting your code, look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the gadget editing window. Tap it to apply your changes. And voila, you've just integrated functionality that acts like a WordPress plugin onto your Blogger site, all managed from your mobile device. The embed code tells your blog how to display the feature. This method opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your blog's user experience and functionality, proving that you don't need a desktop to be a power blogger. Experiment with different embed codes from various services and platforms to truly customize your Blogger site on the go.